Hey my friend, it's Al-Yassa again, coming to you with today's tip, and that's how to make money from home by online shopping. And before I get started, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and I'm going to answer a question that came in from a subscriber. So the question is, what is the most counterintuitive thing that has helped you to make more money or have more success in your business or your life? It all boils down to one word for me: simplicity, right? So I basically ignored the noise out there, and I focused on making money for my family. Um, that's it. So when you make your life so simple that you just focus on you, your family, not to cut everything out, but in terms of the distractions, right? Just everything going on, whether it's here or across the world, people's opinions, right? People telling you, that you're a failure, you're a loser, you can't do it. Well, you know what? Their opinions don't pay your bills. So I learned to just keep things simple, eliminate distractions, and focus on what I need to do to make money for my family. And and I do that by online shopping. This right here is thankfully I never had to buy this particular product for myself, but my brother did. He had high blood pressure, man, and he was on medication and everything. And he said, you know what, he wanted to try doing some, adjusting his lifestyle. So he was able to get some of these vitamins here. And when he went back to his doctor, for him, his pressure came down. It didn't go back to what normal should be, but it came down and was lower for what it usually is for him, which is good. And that was a couple years ago, and he's still around with us. So it worked for him. But yeah, there's tons of things that you would need for your family here, whether it's multivitamins or something if you're into the fitness and or weight loss or what have you. All that stuff is here because these are things that we buy anyway. Whether it's a sports drink, kind of like a Gatorade or something. All that stuff is here for you to be able to shop online and make money from. Other stores that you're able to shop at, Aeropostale. I know if you have teens or whatever, they're shopping there. You can definitely make money back on that there. American Apparel, same thing. The Avenue, Athleta, Banana Republic, the outlet for Banana Republic, Bally if you're into high-end shoes. So all these things here, Ashley Stewart, is here for you to be able to get paid on. And not only that, in one of the videos I talk about having fun, right? Well, we're able to have fun too. I mean, we take phenomenal trips. All this stuff is here. It's not a mystery. It's not, fake. It's just something that you can learn to do for yourself and your family. And to make it easy for you, to make it a little simpler, I created a done for you system here. If you've watched any of the other videos, you've seen this system. It's put together so that you can be able to plug and play into a system so that you can start making money from online shopping. Okay, so I come to the conclusion of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the tip on how to make money from home by online shopping. Go ahead and click the link in the description to find out more, and I'll see you in the next video.